Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the Dualsense Edge and the Cronus toolchain ready. Update the controller firmware on your PS5 or via USB-C so profiles sync properly, and install Cronus Zen drivers on a PC to ensure the hardware is recognized. Once done, download Cronus Pro and the latest Cronus firmware files. This is necessary because mismatched versions cause detection failures. Make sure the Zen shows under Device Manager before proceeding to flashing or mapping. Now you'll flash the Zen and create a working profile. Put Cronus Zen into bootloader mode and flash the latest firmware with Cronus Pro. This enables Dualsense Edge compatibility. Then connect the Dualsense Edge via USB and load the compatibility profile, mapping buttons, triggers, and dead zones to match how you play. Configure stick sensitivity and paddle assignments deliberately because poor dead zone settings feel sloppy. Once mapped, save the profile to Zen memory slot 1 so it loads automatically. Finish by testing the setup on your target machine and validating every input. Play for several minutes to confirm no drift, lag, or incorrect macros. If you find issues, recalibrate sticks in Cronus Pro, reduce USB polling to 250 or 500 HC to cut latency/glitches, and reflash both controller and Zen firmware if needed. Make a backup of working profiles and note one troubleshooting tip. A full factory reset of the Zen often resolves persistent mapping conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.